we're gonna make some fajita veg today, guys. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our pan. This is a pan. We're gonna get our burner on high. Pan on the burner. Pan's gotta be hot when we actually make the fajita veg. Next thing, I got 2 pans here. Why? Because your fajita mix is 60% peppers. So if you take a 6-inch pan, you fill it with peppers. You put your peppers in your bowl. That's 60%. Now you take a 4-inch pan. You fill it with onions. You put it in your bowl. Now you take this stuff. You mix it all around. You got your beautiful onion and pepper mix. Now that right there, watch this. Beauty here. Right into a 3rd pan. Boom. Now in the meantime, while we've had that going, our skillet's getting nice and hot. So what are we gonna do there? We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. I got my tablespoon. I got 1 tablespoon. I got 2 tablespoons. See how much oil that is, guys? I got my pan nicely coated, but the vegetables aren't gonna swim in oil, okay? Quick test to see if my pan is hot enough. If I just dip my fingers in this water, I should get that sparkling like that. Beauty. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my fajita veg to this mix. Now, big thing with fajita veg, guys. Fajita veg has a shelf life on the line of how many minutes? 30 minutes. I put my veg in here. When I put my veg in, guys, I want the veg to all be making contact with that pan. I don't want to overfill it. I want these vegetables to have a nice char on the outside, but not to steam the vegetables. So we got our vegetables going in there. Next thing, I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon of oregano. I went a little light, so I'm putting half a tablespoon of oregano in here because I don't want to cook extra. If I put it on the line, write it open, but I only sell 3 burritos with fajita veg in the next half hour, I got soggy fajita veg on the line. From the time that I put those vegetables in there, I then also need 1 teaspoon of salt. Boom. Now these veg, because we're trying to get that char, I'm not stirring them. I'm leaving the vegetable cook. It's 2 minutes on the first side. I take my tongs. I flip it over. See this big chunk I got here? I'm gonna take that right out, because that's gonna be a big chunk of onion. And nobody likes a big chunk of onion. 2 more minutes. Tick tock, tick tock. All right, see those fajita veg? Got that nice char right here. You can't smell it. If we had smell-o-vision, you could, but it's got a nice smell to it. Everything goes from here. Right into my pan. Starting to get the red onions are starting to get just a little bit of translucent to it. They're still gonna have a little bit of the spice from the onion, but it's also gonna have brought out some of the sweet. Nice, tasty fajita veg. They go on the line for no more than 30 minutes. And tasty, tasty, nice, nice.